Hey there guys, welcome back to another roleplay. Basically, today's roleplay's name is the Home Alone Rainy After School Routine. So let's go. Okay, that's the end of the class. You guys can all go home now. Yeah, bye guys. Bye. I'm gonna take my gum, I need it. It's raining outside, so I might need to go. Sorry. Okay. Oh. I'm gonna just walk home. Okay. Oh my god, I literally hate this. Like, why can't I just take my car? When are they even going to be done with fixing my car? Like, bro, it's so freaking cold. I better walk home soon. Okay, the umbrella is not at all helping. I better get up. Oh, hey. Oh, hey, you're the, yeah, just go. Yeah, thank you, I'm going. Finally, I have to get this thing fixed because, like, it has been. Oh man. Okay, never mind. Okay, I'm just going to go. Keep my umbrella somewhere. Okay, I'm gonna keep it over here. Okay. Gonna just keep that there and keep this here. I better get fresh now because like it's really late. It's turning nighttime. Okay, guys, I need to grab the charger real quick because yeah, you know. So just wait. Okay, I'm back. Alright, I'm just going to go fresh up because bro, I stink. Let me just change the towel. Put this over here. This, and then I'm just gonna go with the shovel and turn this on. Excuse me. Pretend that didn't even happen. Okay. Okay, alright. I'm done with the shower. Let me just put this into the room. I'm gonna use this one here today because this is the best face mask ever. And this one too, but I'll use this one. Okay, I'm gonna turn off this candle. Alright. Just gonna put this face mask back. Now let me just take my headphones and my glasses. And I'm just gonna go and pick my outfit. Which pajamas should I wear? Should I wear this? I'm just gonna wear this. Yep. Just put that back. There we go. Done. I'm just gonna put this back. And I'm just going to go study for a while because final exams are coming, you know. I'm just going to go to this place because that's where I usually study, and the other desk is just for journaling and stuff. Yep. So yeah, just do like this. What in the world? I have to write down all of this to study. Okay, I'm going to just do it. Oh, yeah, I'm finished. Phew. I mean, like half an hour since I've been doing this. Like, I'm so happy. Just keep this back. Okay, I'm going to just go. Oh, what should I make for dinner? I don't really know. I'm just gonna make something. Maybe I can look up on my phone. Or my laptop. Yeah, I'm gonna go with my laptop. Oh my god, that looks so delicious. Okay, basically I'm making sushi for dinner. I hope I like it because this is literally my first time. Okay, let me see. Let me take out the ingredients I need. Cucumber. Did I just eat that? Okay, basically I have all the ingredients I need. I'm just going to go get a knife to kill the cucumber. Okay, never mind. What was that? Okay, let's kill the cucumber. Wait, not in that way. Okay, I just killed the cucumber, and now let's just make something. Not something sushi. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to get the rice. I'm going to cook the rice first. Let me just get the rice cooker. Oh my god. Okay, whatever. Okay, alright, I'm gonna just keep that there. I'm just gonna get the other rice. Okay. I'm just gonna cook and cook. Now I'm just gonna add this. Okay, done. Do like that. And just do the same thing. Wait, oh my god. Give me the rice. Okay. Ta-da! Okay, now I have this done, and I'm going to just... This is so annoying. Okay, end up with it. Oh, I forgot. Alright, let me get a plate and put this in the oven. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna open the oven, put that there, close. Meanwhile, I'm just going to pretend you didn't hear that sound. Okay, I'm just going to go and make something like at least for me. Let's make blueberry juice. Yep. I'm about to make some blueberry and apple juice. So let's go. Oh, the rice cooker. Keep it back. Okay, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna this and inside. Looks like the apple didn't work, but never mind. I'm just gonna keep this back. I am done. Just gonna. Oh man, my sushi. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna put this over here and this over here. The drink looks so weird. Never mind. Don't even care that the drink looks weird. Take a fork because I don't have because I don't have chopsticks in this universe. So yeah, eating food. Yum 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 yum. A few minutes late. Oh, that tastes so good. Okay, I'm going to just drink this. I'm going to do the dishes. Just take out the dishwasher. Oh my god, how do I close this? Hello? Okay. This is so many bloopers. Okay. Then just wash. I'm done. Let me just put that. Put that. Alright. Oh, now I have to feed the pets. I'm not going to show the part where she feeds the pets, so yeah. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm going to close that. I'm going to put this plant back. Alright, now I'm going to feed all my pets. Basically, I just fed all my pets and just vacuum the floor because it needs it back. So I'm just going to do it. Okay, I'm going to keep this back. Alright, I'm just gonna watch a movie because I'm kind of bored. I'm gonna watch Lion King because that's the best movie I've ever watched. Okay, let's watch. Whoa, that's so cool. Oh, look at the little Simba. He's so cute. I know he's just, not real, but that's so cute. Oh, wait, what? Okay, don't do that, please. Oh. Nice ending. Okay. Well, that was nice. I'm just going to go grab. Oh, ice cream. I like midnight snacks. Don't worry. Yeah. Okay, now I'm just gonna sit down over here. I eat my. Oh man, don't sleep. Don't sleep. Okay. I'm just eating midnight snacks. If you wonder, it's so weird how I'm eating snacks, even though I just ate dinner. It's because I get sweet cravings when I eat something spicy, like bro. So I'm just gonna eat that. Okay, and then keep that back. Okay, what time? Oh man, what in the world? It's 12:30. Bro, I have school tomorrow. I better get ready. Okay, put this back. Put this. Okay, I'm gonna get my brush. Do my paste. Gonna roll. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with one more face mask because I usually do it every day, and I'm gonna uh, write down my diary, like write something in my diary because I haven't done that for like really long. First of all, I need a pen. Okay, I had a pen in my cupboard. I'm just gonna write down, dear diary, today was a nice day. It was a school day. It was kind of boring, not gonna lie. And it was really raining. Blah 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 blah. A few minutes later, okay, I'm done diary. Writing my diary, drying my diary. What the hell? Okay, I'm gonna throw the pen away. Don't even mind that. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this face mask because I've been putting that for so long. Okay, alright, where's my towel? I'm gonna just wash my face. Put all of that back. And for all of this, I'm gonna just turn my TV off. I'm gonna turn off all the lights first because I don't want the electricity bill so much. I'm gonna turn off that. Why do they leave their TV on? Whatever. I'm going to go and I'm going to just turn this off. Milo, wanna sleep with me? Okay, let's go. You can also sleep with oh man. Okay, I just realized that my Pusheen cannot sleep with me, so I'm just gonna put it back. This, sleeping my phone, and bye. Yeah, that's the end of the roleplay. I hope you enjoyed that. Bye.